Hi.
Hi.
Could you just tell us how you were referred to Minnesota Functional Neurology?
I was referred here through one of my doctors back home, through Doctor Kompkoff with Katmai Eye and Vision. She ended up doing some tests and different things, and she ended up finding out about Dr. Schmoe here and sent me.
And where is that located?
In Anchorage, Alaska.
And that's where you live?
I live in Whistler, Alaska.
Nice. Tell us about some of your symptoms that you had prior to coming into Minnesota Functional Neurology.
I had lots of symptoms. Dizzy, vomiting, bad headaches, balance was really bad, can't handle much noise, loud noises, too much commotion, a lot of conversations like bouncing back and forth. A whole bunch of different ones. Memory is one.
And what results have you had while you've been with us this week?
My balance has gotten a lot better. They even had me with shutting my eyes, and I don't feel like I'm gonna fall over or all over the place. So balance has gotten better. Memory has gotten a little better. I'm not getting as much headaches. Back pain has gone away, which is
Fantastic.
Awesome. There's
anything else you'd like to tell people about our clinic?
It is amazing, and even though it's 1 week long of therapy, you see results pretty fast, and there's a lot of hope out there, and really, really encouraging, awesome people that you get to work with, and just amazing results.
Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.